Hi, welcome to the ASP.NET Webform and Entity Framework Learning by Example project. And today in this video, I would like to show you how to create a web form for your project. Okay, so now let's get started. I will close this one first. And here is our website we are using in this tutorial. And you can see here we have some the home page, and currently we don't have any component on this home page now. So now I will go ahead to create a home page for this website, and on this page I will create a left menu which contains some the information of category, and in the main panel I will have the two sections. The first one I will display the the, uh, the new product. I will display some new product here, and underneath a new product I will display something for the news. Latest new. Okay, so now after we finish creating the layout for the home page, so we can base on that to create the layout for another page later. Okay, so now let's get started. Follow my video. I will open the Visual Studio here, and I will open the master page is site.master page here, and the default page and style.css file. Okay, so today we will working on these three files. I will open this one. Okay, container header, blah blah. Okay, so for the home page I will create the left menu. So the left menu will be using in multiple pages. So I will create this in the site.master instead of create it in the default page. Okay. Okay, I have a div. I make it bigger. I create a div container here. Class is the div container. So inside the div container, I have some the div lab, div main, and the div footer. Div main footer. Okay, cool. So I will do the comment here for easy checking. I mean, when we take a look into the shortcode here, we know where is start of the div lab and where is the end of the div lab. So now when you see the comment here, that means you have finish the you have end the content of the div lab and go through another div. Okay, so in case you don't need to do the comment here, but I think you should do this. It is easier for you to checking later when you have the HTML. It is very long, so it will be easier for you to do the checking. Okay, cool. So for the deep lab here, I will create something for the lab menu on the top. Okay, I have a deep class equal a lab title. I have named it a category. Tip a class a it should be the lab menu. Category 1, 2, 3. Okay, we finished creating the lab menu and go to the main menu. The main menu I will have for the main menu here I will create something if I will name this class main header. I will name it the new product. No, I think for this one we will write it in the default page, and here for the deep main I will copy the placeholder content placeholder here into this. Okay, you press the Control key KD on your keyboard to do the format for shortcode. Footer. Okay, remove. No need to use. Cool. So now if I come back to the website and try to refresh this one to see it, how does it look? Okay. So for now you can see we have own content on this page, but at this time it seems look the layout look not good for now. I will back to the home page here. I will name it the home page. Okay, so I will comment this out. Okay. So now I will come back to the Visual Studio to write the code for style sheet to make it look better. Okay. I will do some configuration for some common component of the style sheet like body, UL, table, and some other thing. Okay. So for the body, I will have background color F F2 F2 F2. Okay, margin 0 and for the UL I will make it the list style is none. List style none. List style none mean when we are using when we are display the content for the menu, we don't have the dot before the link here. Okay, and the table border collab, it should be collab. Okay, table tft border one big solid, and the border it should be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, okay, so now I will copy some the class here. We have the div container. Okay, so I will copy the HTML from this one into the style sheet so that I can do the reference to it easier. I have the div container. Div container. Oh, what? Div container. Div lab, main and footer. Okay. Div lab. Div lab title. Div lab title. Div lab menu. UI, UL, and UL, Lee, UL, Lee, ah, okay. And the next one is div main, div footer. Control KD to the format. Okay. So now I will minimize this one and go to the web browser and try to refresh. So now after you do the refresh here, you didn't see any change because we have just created the class name for some component, but we don't have input, and we will still not input any style sheet for the classes. So that means you didn't see any change. So now I will open the inspect I will open the style. Okay. Resources. Okay, so here for the deep container, I will write deep container um, top 20. Okay, so now I will do the edit statistics on the browser to see the change now, and after that I will copy the statistics into the Visual Studio file. Okay, let's get started. For the deep lab, I will have float lab with 20%. Okay, so the left menu will be 20%, and basically we have 100% for one row, and here in the one row we have two columns. The first one is the left menu, and the second one is the main. So now the left will be 20%, and the main will be the 80%. Okay. So here we have done the lab and the lab title here category. Okay, I will make it look good. Take a line. I have a take. It should be left, and the padding should be big. From background color, it should be light color, phone color, white, black and white. Okay, cool. And for the left menu, okay. For the lead, it should be okay. Lead and A here. Okay, for the hyperlink, I will have a color. Okay. However, I will copy one thing here. something like okay, f 6800 orange, and the background color it should be transparent. Text decoration none. Okay, so I will copy this one and try to see. Refresh it. Okay, cool. It look good. So now I will do the style sheet for the deep main. Okay, the deep main float left. Okay, float left, and the width is 80% and padding. I will make it 10 pixel. Okay, copy it. So now for the footer, it should be break down to at the end of the page. So now I will back to the Visual Studio to make it break down here. After we finish the main, so we should have another div here. I will use class clear. Sorry, let's see, clear. So after we do the format for the div, the div left and the div main, so we will clear everything like we are doing it for the float left, for left and main. So after that, it will break down the div footer into another row. Okay. Yeah, you can see now it look good. The footer had been break down to at the end of the web page here. So now I will do some the format for the footer. Okay, for the footer I will have padding, top page, right, bottom, and the left. Copy it. Cool. And for the category title, I will change it to text transform. It should be uppercase. So if you don't know much more of the knowledge about the style sheet, so you should write it write the style sheet code in the Visual Studio. So it will fully support for you. When you type anything, it will have some the suggestion. Okay. So if you do something like me when writing the code in the browser here, so you should have some knowledge about the style sheet because it don't support you fully here. Okay, we have a lot of the tool which will help you to support you to write the code for style sheet. So in this video today, I don't forget to mention it. Just forget into our project we are working on. Okay. It seems we have just finished the draw layout for the home page here, and now I will go ahead to write the code for the home page for the main content of the home page. I will open the default page here. Okay. in the in the homepage main, I will create some the div which contain the main header, the product list and the new listing. Okay. Tip class e. So for this one, I will name it e div main, and here main header. I will name it is a new product div class. It should be home product list. So under the inside of the home product list here, so I will display it around from 4 to 6 new product into one row, only one row here. Okay, so here product list I will have div. It should be the product content. If so, each product I will display the first one an image, and underneath of the image I will display the product name and price of that product. Okay, so there are three information of each product will be displayed on the website. I have the product image, product it should be product title, and product price. Okay, so here. Okay, cool. So now for the product image, I will display it here. It should be product image a hardware. Okay, equal. Let's see. So we will pick up an image for this image as to display it as an example on the website later. Image and product title. For example, iPhone 6 at bullet. Okay, and proper price I will display price. Okay, so now I will open browser. iPhone 6 bullet. image. It is very big. Okay, no need. Wow, big. Save it. For the thumbnail of the image, so we should use the small image here. Open it in the pen. I will do some edit here. Okay, so now I will copy it into the Visual Studio and I will create a folder. Image product, paste it here. Okay, use this one. Cool. So now try to the browser. Close this one, close this one. Okay, cool. You can see here for now it look very good on the screen. We have the thumbnail image here and the title of the product, and underneath the title we have the price of the product. Okay, so now I will do some the code, write the code for this one. Style sheet, back to Visual Studio. It should be the product list. I have deep main product list. Copy this one. Deep main. Yeah, okay, should be here. Okay, so for the deep main, I will create the home product list. Home product list. Okay, we delete this. Okay, the next one is the product content. Product image. A oh, a lot of things. A okay. So now for the delete this one. Product content and product title. Content. Title. Property. Okay. Okay, so here we have just finished to create the class name. We will do the same thing by come back to the web browser and do here. For the product list, I will do the padding for this padding top, then pixel. Okay, and after that for the product content, it should be float left, and padding is top is 5 px, right is okay. For the product image, no need. For product image, no need, and EMG here. So we will fix the width. It should be hey. Okay, so I will do the fix the width and height of the image here. So in case we have a bigger image, so it will resize into this size. Okay, better. Okay, and for the product title here, I will make it the color is blue. Okay, and the price color it should be FF0000 in red, and the padding it should be a 0.5 0.5. Mm-hmm. For the title, product title. Okay. For title here, blue title. Oh, so the title here it should be in the hyperlink. So I will create a hyperlink here. I will padding 5 px. Okay, I copy this one. Back to the default, I will create it here. Sorry. Yeah, look good. And now we do some animation for this one when we hover to the title. Okay, here, so now I will write the code for the hover. It should be, well, I will copy on the top. I will copy this color blue for the category. Left menu. To make it look the same. Okay. Okay, so deep container here. Oh, sorry. We write the static for the main header. Main header. Okay. So here I will phone with bow. Okay, and the text form uppercase. And I have font size, increase the font size 18 pixel. And for the border bottom, I will have 1 pixel. And okay, solid 1 pixel, and the color it should be 1 2 3 it's very hard to see it. Okay. I will change it to other thing. H0. Okay. Hmm. 0. Okay. It look good for now. And for now, I will copy the style for this product to create something here. Two, three, four, 5, and 6. Oh, we only want to display the product in one row, so now I will display it only 5 product. We remove the last one. Cool. So now here you can see we have just finished to create the layout for product page, and now I will create another thing for the news. I will clone this one. new let this new section. Okay, for the news we are only display the image and the title. Okay, so I will review the status of the product. Two, three, four, and five. Okay, so you can see here. For now, we have the new informations. Default. Hmm. Okay, so I have just help you to understand how to create the layout for the homepage. And on the homepage, we create the some area. The left is the menu, and in the main we have some information for new product and the latest new. So now you can based on that to create the layout for another pages. Is the user, category, product, news. Okay, so now I think that's all for today. After you finish this video, you know how to work on the layout for the pages in the system. Okay, hope that helped and see you later in another video in the next time. Bye bye.